Good morning. I am Dr. Sonali Gautam. I am a consultant gastroenterologist and hepatologist at Airoli Center for Digestion. Today I am going to discuss about alcoholic liver disease. Alcohol as such is a toxin. National Institute of Alcoholism NIAA defines the safe limit, which is a very important question routinely asked. So what is safe limit? So one drink which contains 11 to 15 grams of alcohol, one drink. So that is equal to 30 ml of hard drink, that is 40% of spirit, 120 ml of wine, that is 17% of alcohol, and 360 ml of beer, which contains 5 to 7% of alcohol. So these are 30 ml, 120 ml and 360 ml. All these three contains 11 to 15 grams of alcohol. So this is one drink. Now safe limit. In a male patient, the safe limit is one drink, maximum two drink, and in a female it is less than one drink, that is less than 30 ml, and in a male it is 60 ml of hard drink. So these are the definition of safe drink. Safe means it doesn't mean it is safe. Safe means if taken occasionally, this will not cause liver damage. But if these drinks are taken on a daily basis, and at least for 10 years, 90% of patients develop fatty liver. And out of these 90%, 50% of patients develop liver cirrhosis. So the important point is drinking daily, even if you are drinking safe. Now, second pattern which we notice is binge drinking. So we say that we drink occasionally in parties and we are safe. No. What is binge drinking? If a male drinks 5 drinks in 1 hour, or a female drinks 4 drinks in an hour, this is called binge drinking. This type of binge drinking ultimately affects similarly to the liver, causing fatty liver and cirrhosis over a period of 10 to 12 years. Now, the ultimate result, why we are afraid of alcohol, because it is a toxin. And ultimately over a few years it develops into cirrhosis, and cirrhosis is liver failure. Now third most important question, why women are more susceptible? It is still, it's not gender bias. The woman body is different. So first of all, the enzyme which breaks down the alcohol in liver, the amount in male and female are different. In female, that enzyme is lesser. So it takes longer duration to break down the alcohol in the liver. So longer is the damage. Second, the enzyme in the stomach, that is gastric dehydrogenase, which breaks down the alcohol in stomach, is also less in females. Third, female has more fat. Because of that, alcohol is stored in the fat for longer duration. So longer is the exposure of the liver to alcohol. So these are basic differences between male and female, and still I would say that it is not safe for women to have alcohol on a regular basis. So these are the three main questions which are asked. Now, why alcohol is dangerous? Because it is a toxin. Over a period of 10 to 12 years, 90% develops fatty liver and 50% develops cirrhosis. And cirrhosis is, as we have discussed, there are 3 stages, A, B and C. Patients who have alcohol, they develop cirrhosis earlier compared to patients who have fatty liver secondary to diabetes. And cirrhosis is end stage liver disease causing jaundice, hepatic encephalopathy, ascites, fluid in abdomen, swelling in leg, bleeding from nose and mouth. So these are the symptoms of liver failure which occurs earlier and at earlier age in men and women who have alcohol. To know more about alcoholic liver disease and how to prevent alcoholic liver disease, kindly visit us or contact us on the number given below.